Hello, second graders. I'm getting out my math book and I'm opening to where my page was before. I want to go to page 15. Our learning target for today is determine the total number of objects in equal groups. The total number, that means all of them. But let's look at what this says. It says circle groups of 2 oranges. Complete the sentence. So 2 oranges, I can go here and here, or I can go here and here. It doesn't matter. I'm going to do like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So all of these are 2 oranges, right? I want groups of 2 oranges. It didn't say 2 groups. It said groups of 2 oranges. All right, so let's see what I have here. Blank groups is 2, blank groups of 2 is how many? Let's see. So I have how many groups of 2? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know there are 4 groups of 2. 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2 is how many? And how can we figure this out? Well, I can count them all, or I can go back to what I remember from first grade and count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. If you're not sure how that happened, we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the same thing. Counting by 2s, counting them all one by one, saying 4 groups of 2 is 8. All of those will work. Let's look here. It says you can use repeated addition to find the total number of objects in equal groups. Repeated addition. Does that sound familiar, boys and girls? We've done this in the class. Each group has the same number of counters, so they are equal groups. Okay? So I can use my equal groups and my repeated addition to find the total number. So here we go. How many groups do I have? 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 3 groups of how many in each one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them have 4. So 3 groups of 4. Those are equal groups. So in order to do this, I say 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals, and I can add my 2 4s together and then add 4 more. I can count them all. This is the beginning of the year. Let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. All right, so how many groups do I have here? We have more sentences to fill in. I have how many groups? Well, this is 1 group, and this is another group, so there are 2 groups. 2 groups of how many in each group? Are they the same? They look like the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 groups of 5. So I'm going to say there are 5 here, and there are 5 here. 5 plus 5, that's a double, and it's a double we should know. 5 plus 5 is 10. You can count them all and check my work. All right, here we go. Blank groups of blank. How many groups? I have 1 group here, 2 groups, 3 groups. 1, 2, 3 groups of how many are in each group? 2. 3 groups of 2. How do I add this up? I say 2 plus 2 plus 2. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 2 more is 6. I can count 2, 4, 6. I can add them up like I did first, or I can count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now circle groups of 3. Write a repeated addition sentence. So I know that I'm going to have groups of 3. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And one more. 1, 2, 3. So let's count how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. And to add that up with with a repeated addition sentence is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That's how I get my answer. I count them all. I can get my answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. All right. Now circle groups of 5, write a repeated addition equation. An equation, remember, means that we have our equal sign there. So circle groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a second group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's a third group of 5. So 1, 2, 3 groups of 5. 3 groups of 5. And how do I write this as a repeated addition sentence? There are 5 here, plus 5 here, plus 5 here. This is the same thing we've been working on with arrays in the classroom, boys and girls. This is just different things, different ways of writing it. So this is not an array, but we do have repeated addition. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 more is 15. Excellent job. Circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups of 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 4. And how many are in each group? 4. And then 4 more, and 4 more, and 4 more. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 doubled is 16. 16. Or I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Same thing. Newton says, this is the chance for you to be the teacher. Newton says that he can circle 5 equal groups. Is he correct? Wow, let's find out. How can we do this? Let's see. If I'm going to do 5 equal groups, well, let's see if I have a number that I can do that in 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15. Let's see. That seems like I should be able to do it because I know that 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15 is a number that I can get to by counting by 5s. But I want to know if I have 5 equal groups. Let's see. I'm not sure how to do this, boys and girls. Let's see what you are thinking. Actually, I'm pausing so that you can think. All right, boys and girls, I want to know if I have 5 equal groups. and I have 15. Here's what I like to do. I like to draw pictures. So down here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to count up to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do I have any that are left out when I did this? No, I did not. So I can have 5 groups. So I say, yes, I can have 5 groups of how many are in each group? In 3. Yes, I can have 5 groups of 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. And now that I did it like this, I can circle groups of 3 up here just to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, boys and girls, pictures help me a lot. All right, we're running a little short on time. I want you in your books to turn to page 19 and read this over. Determine the total number of objects in equal groups. And I want you to do these math problems. Okay? Do all the math problems on page 19. If you want to challenge yourself, you can go over to page 20 and start looking at those problems. When you are done, put your placeholder, your bookmark. Answer the question on the Google Classroom, and be sure to hit turn in. Bye, boys and girls.